Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode on the Autism Cooking Channel. Today we'll be making zucchini pasta with organic ground beef, which is really good and really nutritious recipe for our kids in the spectrum. This recipe has key ingredients like turmeric because it's going to help with the anti-inflammatory. It's an anti-inflammatory. Since our kids in the spectrum, their gut is really inflamed. And it's gonna help. And in this recipe, we're gonna be using organic ground beef, which is full of iron, it's full of calcium, and also it has a lot of vitamin B12. Over here, we have some pasta that I made from zucchini, and this pasta is really good for our kids because it's full of calcium and it has a lot of iron as well. We're gonna be using some cherry tomatoes. We're gonna be using a little bit of salt to taste. We're gonna be using some homemade seasoning. That's about 3 tablespoons. We have some coconut oil here, about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna have salt to taste. And right here, we're gonna be using ground turmeric, which is really good for our kids because it's an anti-inflammatory, and that's gonna help them digest their food and nutritious. And then we're gonna be using some cayenne pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon, some oregano leaves, and we have some shredded carrot, which is full of vitamin K. And to start off, we have a pan right here, and then we're gonna add up the coconut oil. Then we're gonna start off with our ground beef. The coconut oil is really dense, so make sure your fire is not really high. You don't want to burn the meat. We're gonna stir a little bit. And this meat is really fresh and it's organic. And then we're gonna add the seasoning to it. Then after that, we're gonna put the oregano leaves, about a teaspoon. Then we're gonna add some cayenne pepper, which is gonna be perfect for them to absorb in the bloodstream. And then we're gonna put our turmeric, about a teaspoon turmeric. There you go. And then we're gonna add some salt to taste, about a teaspoon as well. Then we're gonna stir a little bit. I put the cover up and I let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And now we're gonna add up shredded carrots. This is one of the favorites of Gabriel. Gabriel's love this recipe. Then we're gonna add up a little bit of the tomatoes, and to end it up, we're gonna add zucchini. I'm gonna stir, make sure that our meat is Hey, and after 15 minutes in the stove, our recipe is completely done. Look how delicious and nutritious it looks. So if you like this recipe, or if you have any comments, please comment below, share this recipe, and give it a thumbs up. And see you guys until the next time. See you later. Bye-bye.